In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your drafts in Gmail. It's a simple process, but finding those drafts quickly can really save you time when you're trying to pick up where you left off with an email. Let's go through this step by step so you can feel confident navigating your Gmail to find those drafts without any hassle. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Gmail website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you've logged in, you should be seeing the main Gmail dashboard, which is filled with all the emails in your inbox. On this dashboard, you'll notice a variety of options aligned vertically along the left-hand sidebar. This sidebar is your navigation center in Gmail, and it's where you'll find all the categories that help organize your emails. Take a moment to explore the sidebar, and you'll see options like Inbox, Sent, Spam, and others that categorize your emails. What you're looking for today is that Drafts section on this sidebar. You may not have noticed it before if you haven't been specifically searching for it, but it's usually nestled among the other categories. Scroll down a bit if you need to, and there it is, your Drafts folder. This is where Gmail automatically saves emails that you've started composing but haven't sent yet. Think of it as your digital notepad, saving those ideas and important messages you were working on but didn't get to send right away. Go ahead and click on Drafts. Once you've clicked it, you'll see a list of all your unsent emails. These are the drafts that you've saved or that Gmail has automatically saved while you were composing. Now, you can easily scroll through this list to find the draft you want to continue working on. Click on any draft to open it. When you do, you'll have the option to keep editing the email right where you left off. Finish composing your message, and when you're ready, just hit send. Finding your drafts is that easy. Knowing how to locate them means you can effortlessly manage your email tasks without the frustration of losing your work in progress. Whether it's a personal note, an important work message, or even a reminder email to yourself, those drafts are safely stored and easily accessible. And that's it. Simple as pie. Now you know where to find your drafts in Gmail, and this small bit of knowledge can enhance the way you manage your emails moving forward. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you continue to explore and make the most out of Gmail's features. See you next time.